Hello students, today we are going to learn our new topic electric field. Electric field intensity. Remember, we have to find electric field intensity due to what? Due to charge dq. Due to charge dq at a point outside the ring. Outside the ring. Okay. Electric field intensity due to charge dq at a point outside the ring. हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी मालूम करना है चार्ज dq की वजह से किसी भी पॉइंट पर जो कि रिंग के बाहर मौजूद है. ओके, हैव यू गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, आई विल होप यू विल गॉट. In our next step, we have to draw a ring. We have to draw a ring. We have to draw a ring. What is ring? We have to draw the ring in this region. Okay? We have to draw the ring. Remember, this one is the ring. We have given charges to the ring. Okay, plus charges are given to the ring, and this one is the center of the ring, and this one is the point P outside the ring. Have you got it? Yes. For this, we have to consider the smallest part of the ring. Suppose this one is the smallest part. Total length of the ring is L. Total length is L. What is total length? Total length of ring is L. Okay. Then we have to consider the small portion of the ring. Small portion is this one is small portion. This one is the small dl. Dl is small. This one is called as the elementary length. Elementary length. This one is called as the elementary length. Have you got it? Okay. I will hope you will got it. Dear students, here we have small length dl. Here we have small length dl. This elementary length dl contained very small charge known as dq. dq is the smallest or smaller charge. Okay. Therefore, linear charge density of this region. Linear charge density is denoted by lambda. Linear charge density is denoted by lambda. Linear charge density यानी के जो है पर यूनिट लेंथ पर कितने चार्जेस, यानी कि ये जो है लेंथ पर चार्जेस जो है dq और उसकी लेंथ क्या है dl. Okay, number of charges per unit length dq upon dl. This one is the linear charge density. Okay, this one is lambda dq upon dl. If we have cross multiply it, then we have got dl is equals to dq is equals to okay, lambda into dl. This one is equation number 1. the charges contained in this region is lambda dl. dq is equals to lambda dl. ओके, अब हमें देखना है कि इस पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी फाइंड करना है. Our aim is to find out the electric field intensity at this point P due to this charge dq. ओके, इसके लिए जो है हमें क्या करना है, ये जो है लाइन ड्रा करना है जो कि DE है. लाइन पर जो है DE क्या इंडिकेट कर रही है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इंडिकेट कर रही है. DE क्यों लिखे, why we write DE, because the charges are dq and the elementary length is here dl. dl is the elementary length. Okay, you have got, yes, D is the electric field intensity due to the charge dq, and here we have also considered smallest length or elementary length dl. This also contains charge dq. Therefore the elementary length dl having charge dq, the intensity is dE dash. Electric field intensity is dE dash. As these charges are at equal distance from point P, means this distance and these distances are equal. Suppose this distance from the charge to point P is y, from the charge to point P is y. Why we have taken y? Because we don't know the length. Okay, this one is center. Suppose O is the center of the ring. This one is the diameter of the ring. This one is the radius of the ring. This one is the radius of the ring. And if we join this, the point P is at a distance x from the center. Okay, the point P is at a distance x from the center. Okay, then in our next step, this one is the perpendicular distance. This is labeled as A, this is labeled as B. In triangle POB, okay, angle POB is equals to 90 degree. Angle POB is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, this distance y square is equals to x square plus r square by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus second side square. And if we calculate y, that is equals to under root x square plus r square. Again in this triangle, remember, by trigonometric ratio. By which ratio? By trigonometric ratio. If we consider this measurement is theta, this measurement is also theta. Therefore, in triangle POB, by trigonometric ratio, sin theta is equals to opposite side of the angle divided by hypotenuse. This one is the opposite side and this one is the hypotenuse. Sin theta is equals to x by y. This one is labeled as equation number second. This one is labeled as third and this one is labeled as fourth. Have you got it? Okay. Then in our next step we have to find DE. The value of DE. What is the value of DE? Remember in your mind. DE. DE is equals to constant into charge upon distance y square. Means we have learned in our previous lecture, electric field intensity is equals to constant K into charge into distance. अब यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ पर जो है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी मालूम करना है हमें चार्ज dq की वजह से पॉइंट P पर। तो चार्ज dq से पॉइंट P का डिस्टेंस है y, उसका स्क्वायर, और कांस्टेंट k, और चार्ज है dq, इसलिए जो है, और d इज इक्वल टू k dq अपॉन y स्क्वायर। रिमेंबर, हैव यू गॉट इट? ओके। इक्वेशन नंबर 5. Then put the value of dq from 1 dE is equals to k as it is. Instead of dq we have to write lambda dl upon y square. Equation number 6. This one is equation number 6. And what is the value of y square? From 2 we have to replace y square. Therefore dE is equals to k into lambda dl upon x square plus r square. Equation number 7. Very simple calculations we have here. Okay. Then in our next step we have to calculate dE and dE dash. For this we have to draw a parallel line to diameter. This one is AB is diameter, this one is parallel line, and this one is transversal. This angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Corresponding angles, this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. D is resolved into two components here. D is resolved into two components along theta, d cos theta, along perpendicular, de sin theta. In this case also de dash is resolved into two components, de dash cos theta and de sin theta. For this, remember, de cos theta and de dash cos theta, these are equal and opposite to each other. Therefore, they cancels out the effect of each other. Why? Because the magnitude of de is equals to de dash. Equation number 8. Here, de dash is equals to d, cos theta is equals to cos theta. The magnitude are same, but opposite direction, they cancels out the effect of each other, and the resultant d is taken in sine form. D sin theta in vertical direction, d dash sin theta in vertical direction. Therefore, the net de or d net is equals to de sin theta plus de dash sin theta. The net d is equals to de sin theta plus de dash sin theta. We have to rub here. By rubbing we get de net is equals to de sin theta plus de sin theta. Remember, this one is d sin theta, this one is d sin theta, because d dash is equals to d dash is equals to d sin theta, we have got 2de sin theta. D sin theta, we have got 2d sin theta. In equation number 4, we have calculated the value of sin theta. Sin theta is equals to x by y. Therefore, 2de, instead of sin theta, we have to write x by y. X by y. This one is equation number 9. This value sin theta from equation number 4, x by y. Therefore, de net is equals to 2de x by y 2dx/y. So very simple calculations are remaining here. 2, what is the value of d? What is the value of d? We have calculate in equation number 7. K lambda dl upon x square plus r square into x divided by y. Previous equation number 3 we have calculate y. Y is equals to under root x square plus r square. In our next step we have to calculate the e. How we calculate e? How we calculate e? Can you tell me? d net by integrating e is equals to integration of dE net from 0 to pi r. And what is the value of d net? 2k lambda dl upon x square plus r square into x divided by under root x square plus r square. In our next step we have to simplify this by, देखिए अब अपने को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. e is equals to, अभी सिंप्लीफाई करते हो थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. लिमिट 0 to pi r 2k lambda dl. 2 is constant taken outside, k is constant taken outside. 2 is constant, k is constant, lambda is constant, x is constant. Why x is constant? Distance is not change. ये डिस्टेंस बदलेगा नहीं, इसलिए कांस्टेंट बाहर. इस वजह से ये पूरी की पूरी क्वांटिटी बाहर. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेशन dl 0 to pi r. देखिए e is equals to 2k lambda x. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर को एक ब्रैकेट में ले लीजिए एंड अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर रेज टू 1/2 इंटीग्रेशन dx. जो बच्चे मैथ्स ग्रुप के हैं उन्हें मालूम है इंटीग्रेशन dx इज ओनली x, इंटीग्रेशन dy इज ओनली y, इंटीग्रेशन dl इज, here integration of dl is only l. And what is the limit? Limit is 0 to pi r. यहाँ पर छोटे से कैलकुलेशंस करना है, तो वजह से देखिए छोटे कैलकुलेशंस बस हो गया यहाँ पर. e is equals to 2k lambda x divided by x square plus r square. इंडाइसेस रूल से इसका पावर 1, इसका पावर 1/2, मतलब पूरी क्वांटिटी का पावर 3/2. अब यहाँ जो है आपको इंटीग्रेट करना है. ये इंटीग्रेट हो गया, यहाँ लिमिट रखना है, अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट. पाई आर अपर है, ये लोअर है, ये 0 है, वैनिश हो जाएंगी लोअर लिमिट, इसलिए अपर लिमिट एल के जगह पर ओनली पाई आर. यहाँ पर जो है आपके पास सिर्फ पाई आर और यहाँ पर जो है 0 वैनिश. ओके, अब सिंपल कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा तवज्जो से देखिए. e इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई आर, k की जगह 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. ओके, x एज इट इज. ओके, अब थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. इनटू 1 डिवाइड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर रेज टू 3/2 इनटू, अब ये लैम्बडा है तो लैम्बडा की वैल्यू जो है हमने रखी हुई है चार्ज अपॉन 3/2 का है. टोटल चार्जेस जो है Q है इसमें, और टोटल चार्जेस जो है इसमें Q है, और ये डिवाइड में जो है 2 पाई आर हमें लेना है. टोटल लेंथ 2 पाई आर, ये 2 पाई आर कैंसिल हो गया है, और यहाँ हमारा बच जाता है E इज इक्वल्स टू क्या बच जाएगा देख लीजिए ऊपर की स्टेप में, E इज इक्वल्स टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज इक्वल्स टू, ये 2 से ये जो है 4 कैंसिल भी हो कर सकते हैं आप, अगर कैंसिल करना है या रखना है तो रख लो, जो 2 से तो चलो गया है 2 5, ठीक है ओके। आपकी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आने वाला है 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, सॉरी ये कट गया हुआ है, 1/ε0 इंटू एक्स इंटू, देख लीजिए यहाँ पर Q, ठीक है, और होल डिवाइड में देख लीजिए यहाँ पर है दिया हुआ x² प्लस r² रेज टू 3/2। इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं आप, E इज इक्वल्स टू K इंटू Q, इसके प्लेस पे K Q x डिवाइड बाय x² प्लस r² रेज टू 3/2। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड intensity due to charge dq at a point P outside the charge ring. Okay, you have got it. Okay.